Okay, so this is a short highlight to show some functionalities of my upcoming Unity 3D project that I will prepare for my master thesis for the next year. The project is still in the prototype phase and is showing an animated character who performs actions powered by machine learning techniques. So to highlight some of the complex character animations, the first demo I'm gonna show you is him heading towards a grabbable object to perform a grabbing action. So suppose we have this ball here on the table. The character is gonna grab it using his whatever hand is closer to the ball. He's reached it. Now he's grabbing it. He's holding it, and he can walk, having it sticking on his hand. That's a basic, well, kind of complex animation. Yeah, just to show some animations it's capable of. Now let's go to the AI part, the artificial intelligence part, where the character is capable of recognizing some objects. So let's go to the train mode. So first we are going to train on some object. Uh, we'll perform supervised learning, where the user is in charge to show the character some objects to get the solution. The solution is sofa because we're gonna analyze the sofa now. So we're gonna type in the name in this top left box. Okay, so let's start capturing. We're gonna take pictures of it. We want to take pictures from as many different angles as possible in order for the character to be capable of recognizing the object from whatever angle uh, we are directing him to capture. So you see these white little frames that pop up maybe twice or three times a second. These mean uh, the the capturing is on, like we are capturing, and the white frames suggest that every other object is wiped out during that frame, and only the object we are focusing on is still rendering in order for him to take pictures with this exact object and a white background. Okay, so now for the sofa, let's suppose we are taking pictures on this TV. So again, we are gonna switch our angle. We're gonna walk into a different perspective. We're gonna shoot some angles here. Maybe this funny Tom and Jerry television. So if you're thinking like 50 captures, I think it's fine. It is fine from what I've tested out during the process of building this Unity project. Okay, let's capture a bit more. Let's suppose it's done. Okay, now it doesn't matter the name, we've done Unity. Now when I press back to menu, the training neural network is processing so that when we enter the test mode, the character is already trained, and let's see if we trained him correctly. So in the top center, we see the result, the neural network delivered. So as you can see, this is analyzed like being a sofa, and the neural network is right in this case. Let's go to the TV and do the same thing. There's the TV highlight, yes. The neural network does have 100% accuracy, so you'll see some weird suggestions sometimes. You should have 80 to 90% accuracy, though. It also depends on the angle. If we didn't focus capturing while training face on a specific angle, then the network is more prone to errors. Let's go to a different sofa. We have in this next room a different sofa with a different texture. We want to test if it recognizes the sofa here. It does, partially, because as I told you, the accuracy is about maybe 80%. Of course, if we increase the variety of the objects we train, then the performance is expected to drop. See, in about 8% cases, it does recognize the object correctly. And that's it for now.